I know. Open up. Open up what Santa brought you, baby.
Berries.
Baby, open up what Santa brought you.
I feel like grabbing the bottom.
Come on. Open up what Santa brought you. You're not used to getting all the toys at once. Open it up. Come on, baby doll.
No name. Oh,
That's Alyssa's. You open it? Come, let me help. Open up. Good job. Keep going. Oh, goodness, you're doing such a good job.
Grandma and Grandpa's woodworker things.
Yeah. What is it? Do you know?
Here, you got some.
Oh,
Here.
that's Randy's. Come on, you got so much to get through, baby girl. I know. Isn't he cool? You can bop him. Instead of hitting mommy, you can hit him. Let's sit in mommy's lap some more, huh? Alright.